Morning, everyone. It's Wednesday morning, 8:32, and this is your pre-opening comment for February the 2nd, Groundhog's Day. Okay, Lunar New Year still messing with the Far East. China and South Korea closed, but Asian markets that are open are higher, as are European markets. In news here, mortgage apps up 12%, a great deal of that refis. Um, and the ADP number was a huge miss again. Expectations were for up 200,000. It actually came in at negative, a loss of 301,000 jobs. At 7:45, a half hour before the number came, the Dow was up 30, uh, Nasdaq up 245, and S&P up 35. Right now, the Dow is up 31, the Nasdaq up 210, and the S&P up 30. So a little bit of a sell-off, but not overwhelming. Okay, so we had a bunch of earnings news last night, and let's just get back to it. Everybody, I'm sure, has seen by now the Google numbers and the 20 for 1 split. That stock is 3,024, and that's up 9.85%. The rest of that group, Facebook, Meta, Twitter, etc., are all a little higher on the strength of that news. Sony put out two separate statements. Um, Revenues and earnings positively affected by Spider-Man, the new Spider-Man movie, and earnings and prospects lowered by a lack of chips in order to produce the PlayStation 5. The stock is 117.93. That's up 547 or 4%. General Motors starting a third factory for EVs. The stock is up $1.27. I do not understand this one at all. Their numbers are abysmal. This is the same company that Biden and Obama chose the last time it went bankrupt, and their numbers, they're all about what's on the come. And frankly, there are better places to be. AMD 131.51, up 14.73 or 12.6% on increase in their chip sales, and PayPal crushed on poor guidance. The stock is 145.15. That's down $30.60. That's a pretty major drop on the guidance. OPEC Plus meeting today. I don't know what they're going to say, but five of the seven main members are not even meeting current output. So, as far as cutting output, I have to think that's pretty non existent. But I will say that ahead of the meeting, oil has traded over 90. That's regular, our oil, not Brent. Brent is always higher, and it's much more of a world market to begin with. Let's just see where the oil is. Oil up $1.08, 89. 89.28. Brent is trading 90.13, so that's a little bit more important. The metals are a little stronger on the overall weakness in the dollar, but and we're long the gold and the silver. We really need to see a higher high here today, or at least occupying the 1800 and higher end of the range. Right now, we are 1804.90, up 340. I'd really like to see us close above 1810. This is 1809.70, yesterday's high. The 5-day has come down awfully hard, but it can turn, as you can see, it can turn in a day. or 2 days, especially after a drop like this, where we moved from 1856 down to 1780 in a matter of basically 3 days. So the silver is also a little higher today. Nothing overwhelming, but it is up 6.5 cents. Nat gas is still the feature. Amazing. Uh, right now, trading up almost a half a dollar, up 49.9 cents. That's 10.5% just blasted through this area. Also, I expect problems up here between 535 and 550, but you know it's come a long way. All right, everyone, be careful out there. It is tough. Have a good one.